Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're going to walk you through the process of exporting your WordPress website. Whether you're moving to a new host or backing up your site, this tutorial is for you. First things first, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. It's essential to have a stable internet connection, as we'll be downloading files. To export your content, hover over Tools and click on Export. Here you'll see different options. You can choose to export all content or just specific items like posts, pages, or media. For this example, let's select all content. Once you've made your selection, click Download Export File. This will save an XML file to your computer, which contains your content. Next, we need to handle your media files. Unfortunately, they aren't included in the XML export. To back them up, go to Media in the dashboard. You can download individual files, but to save time, it's better to use an FTP client or a file manager from your hosting provider to download the entire WP content/uploads folder. Now, let's back up your database. If you're using cPanel, look for PMyAdmin. Click on PHPMyAdmin and select your WordPress database. If you're unsure which one it is, it usually has the same name as your site. Once selected, click on the Export tab at the top. Choose the quick method and set the format to SQL. Then click Go. This will download your database file. Great! You've exported your content, media files, and database. Before you wrap up, double check that you have all your necessary files saved safely, and that's it. You've successfully exported your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.